Hey, what's up? It's your girl Deontay G, and I am back for another video. So, as you can see, we looking a little hard. We looking a little hard today, but that's okay. I'm going to be doing my hair. I already have my hair pre-braided. It's braided down in the back. Can't really see, but it's braided down in the back, and then just this side is braided like a comb over. Anyway, so I'm going to be doing something that I've never done before, and I'm going to be installing Clipins. Pray for me. This is my first time doing anything like this. I do not know what I'm doing, so I'm hoping this process goes smoothly. Is the brand that I'm going to be using, the Shake and Go Organic Clip-In 9-piece. The crazy thing about this hair, like, I don't know if I can, like, put mousse in it and, like, you know what I mean, keep the curls from getting frizzy, even though a little bit of frizz is the best part. Can you only do that to, like, human hair? Or, I don't know. But we about to install them. As you can see here, we got 1 piece of the 10-inch weft, 2 pieces of the 7-inch weft, 3 pieces of the 5-inch weft, and 3 pieces of the 3-inch weft. This is how the hair looks. I forgot to show you all. I got, this is called Coily Water in 1B, which is my natural hair color. This is how the hair looks. This is the 1 piece of the 10-inch weft. As you can see, it has 4 clips on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yes. So I'm going to make sure all the clips are popped out. Okay, they are. And then we're gonna go in. You know the crazy part, guys? I have a really, like, what do you call it? Small head. So I have to, like, really, okay, we can go here. Boom. Okay, come around. Boom. Hold on. Come around. And then, yes, this part comes all the way over here. Because I have a small head. Ooh. Let me snap it in. Ooh. So that's the first piece, y'all. I feel like it's not too high up. I don't think it's too high up. So this is the first piece. Okay. This is the second. This. Hold on. Because I can't see. So, ouch, ouch. Okay, so I'm going to put this here, here, and let's see, here. Okay. All right, y'all. Now, this literally is very simple. It's very, very simple. Now, mind y'all, I can't see the back, right? Like, I'm just winging this whole fucking thing. Hold on. That's the... Okay, cool. Right? Boom. Another piece. This one. This is that. There we go. Got it. Boom. I'm gonna push it back some. Boom. That covers that. See? We getting somewhere, y'all. We getting somewhere. Piece, y'all. Next piece. Now we're going. I kind of want to do here. I'm gonna do here. Boom. Then, boom. Okay. That's snapped in. Right, y'all. There we go. And mind you, my braids are kind of thick. So I'm gonna take these. Limit day. Okay. What's happening? Boom. And then here. Okay. Boom. Alright. Hold on, y'all. Alright. So I put this part in this top part because which I might have to fix just a little bit because I don't want you to see that. But okay. So I have one piece left and I don't know how. I do not know how. But we just gonna vibe with it. Okay. Wasn't able to show y'all was that this last track here was actually a 5-inch weft instead of the 3-inch weft like the others I put here. But that's because I wanted it to be longer so I could do the flip over thing and naturally it would kind of even out to the length of the 3-inch weft. Now, I did clamp it going this way and kind of just flipped it over that way to kind of hide the weft. But I'm going to have to fix it as you can see. Well, it's pulled down kind of tight because it is. But once I take this off, you won't be able to see it. You're going to see. You're going to see. You're going to see. I mean, not really. So, okay. This is what we have, y'all. Hold on. Right? This is what we have going on. And I feel like, what y'all think? Is it too much hair on this side? Right? Like, do y'all think it's too much hair? Not enough hair. And you can see, this is how I had it. Right? Hold on. All right, y'all. So, makeup is done. Edges is done. Makeup is done. Edges is done. Right? But I wanted to show y'all the final look now that my makeup is done. I threw on some earrings, little accessories, kind of did my nails. Right? So this is the finished product. That's how she came out. So this is how she came out. These are the clip-ins that I got. Regular schmegler from the beauty supply store. Okay? And I just wanted to try something new. Because like I told y'all, hairstylist is too motherfucking expensive. So this is my alternative. I went to the store and got me some motherfucking clip-ins. So to the ending of this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know down in the comments how you guys liked this style. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.